Welcome back, students. Wall hanging with the household material what we have. There is a mount board and I had a 5 centimeter radius and made 3 circle on the mount board available with me. You can even use CD or whatever available material with you, a hardboard or kind of a putta of your old book or from any of the carton or a box if you have. You just have to make 3 circle out of it. It can be any shape, it can be circle, triangle, rectangle, square. I had 3 circles of 5 centimeter radius. Now next what I'll do is I have some papers with me, so I'm going to place this on one corner, put the Fevicol and keep it aside. This is orange color I was having, now this is red, and just making a marking from where I'm going to give a cut. This is pink color, dark pink I have. Now I'm going to cut it. All 3 will be cutted and kept aside. Next, what to do is very important. When there is a circle, what you are supposed to do for pasting from the corner, that's what I'm going to show you. So observe it carefully, and whatever remaining papers are there, keep it safe. Here I'm going to give all cuts over the boundary, so it becomes very easy for us to paste it. Put the Fevicol or a gum, craft glue, whatever is available with you. One by one, you just have to close it, and the circle paper will get wrapped nicely. Same thing you are going to do with all 3. Cuts. Nearby cuts should be very near, hardly 1 centimeter. You don't have to take a measurement, but it should be 1 centimeter cuts, and put your glue, Fevicol, gum, whatever is available with you, and fold it, and your things will be ready. Covering circle paper is quite difficult, but this is one of the very old and nice method for placing or covering a circle. So my 3 papers or circle shape will be ready. Next is very simple. You just have to observe. If you observe, half of the things you understand very easily. I've kept in a proper line. Now this whatever remaining papers are there, I had this all paper together, and now I'm just going to take a basic measurement, whatever is getting fixed in that. So mine was 9 centimeter, so I have made 9 centimeter square and cutted this papers from the center also all together, and remaining part I'm going to keep it and cut it. Now making a diagonal line and cutting from the center. So with this remaining paper I'm going to make something for the decoration. What I do is I fold it half, this triangle, and one more time half, and this is last and final time. Press it gently, open it, and make a zigzag fold. You just have to make a zigzag fold. Just make a zigzag fold and your thing is ready. Now fold it from the center, and you can see what is there ready with us. It's a leaf shape. In between you are going to put a Fevicol or a craft glue, whatever is available with you. Place that, and your one leaf will be ready. So here my leaf is ready. Now we can keep this aside to let it get dry. I'll make it with all the papers. I'm not going to show you all folds again and again. So I'll stop my video after 3 petals, and after that how you can assemble. At present I am taking all same color one first of all, and next other color I will complete it and keep it ready. You will come to know further in video. See, the fold should come proper. If don't come, just have to fold it properly. And here my pieces are ready. But now I'm going to shift the colors, shuffle the colors so it suits this. And here I'm just going to make a cross mark and place this leaves on the circle as a decoration. So for the decoration also, what we have used is all the waste part. Generally we throw, instead of that we have utilized that waste and decorated our wall hanging. So all together, if you see, this is a product from the waste material, and you see how beautiful it looks. So I have 3 things ready with me. Now very simple, I'm going to place this all on a ribbon. I have a white ribbon with me. I have just cut it a corner of the white ribbon. Now here I'm going to paste a loop with the Fevicol, because we are going to hang this. This is wall hanging furniture. We are going to hang it. So one I'm going to keep it vertical, one maybe diagonal. So this way you can have any combination which you would like. And this is third one I'm going to fix here. Now I was having green color paper with me, so I'm going to make 2 leaves again from the same method what we have used for making a flower out of leaf. Same way, and just fold a zigzag fold. Fold it from the center, and your one leaf is ready. Make another one. You can make more leaves and place it wherever you want. Any other decoration you have, you can utilize other decoration also, but here I'm just going to place towards the end 2 leaves, make it decorated. And here we go, our wall hanging is ready, and that's all. You can utilize all things what you have with you. And I wish that you like the video, subscribe, and write the comment if any other thing you would like to learn. Stay home, stay safe. See you in next video. Bye bye.